Hey everyone, I want to let you guys know about a neat feature that we haven't talked about much before, so I'm excited about this one. But I want to show you guys the activity tab. So if you come up here, you see dashboard, chart, all this good stuff. The last one we just haven't talked about much in previous webinars or anything. Let's go ahead and click on the activity tab and I'll show you what this actually is. This is showing you the activity that you have done on the specific ticker. In this case, I have Apple highlighted. So the activity that you've done on that specific ticker in the account that you're looking at. So right now I'm looking at my TRADEway paper trading account. This is an account that I just use to demonstrate different trades to students on webinars. I don't really follow it honestly. So sometimes those trades go wonky and I'm not managing it. But we can go ahead and take a look and see what's been going on. You can see all these trades, all these transactions that have been done in this account on Apple. And again, this is a paper trading account. And you can see, I mean, it's like a journal tab just for this ticker now, right? We're trying to, instead of looking at the entire journal tab, which is pretty cool. Now I just want to look at what is this ticker doing. And so you can see the different trades that I put in. So, a long call. So a step 2 call, that one did pretty well a couple of times. Did 2 of them. The average was 6 days long. And only a 50% win ratio. So one of them actually took a hit, but you can see that the average was still really good. You can see there's a bear call, bear put, a couple of bull calls, and a bull put that lost a little bit there. So you can just see the breakdown of the information. You can also click on news and it gives you way more news than honestly I want to read. So there's all kinds of good stuff that you can dive into and look at. And we can look at different tickers too. Let's look at Love, Southwest Airlines. Here you go. You can see took a decent little hit there on a bull call debit spread there. And then you can see a couple other trades that went pretty well there. Let's look at one more, MRO. Okay, MRO is empty. So that simply means in this paper trading account, I have not traded MRO yet. So it's going to look empty. So if you're brand new to Charts by TRADEway, you're going to see a lot of empty. And this activity page is honestly not going to be all that exciting yet. But after you've been trading for a while, you can start looking at some, because you take a look at Apple. Hey, this is exciting, right? I've got some data to work with. I know, hey, you could say, getting along with Apple or not, right? Is this a ticker that I tend to trade well or not? In this case, Apple seems to be going pretty well for me because you can see the totals down here as well. In paper fake money, total profit of nearly $1,800, an average profit nearly $200, 9 total trades, winning 2/3 of them, so that's pretty decent, and an average of 7 days in each trade. So lots of good information and data you can pull, and this is valuable because I might look at Apple and be like, okay, yeah, I should continue to trade Apple. Or you might find a different ticker where you're losing almost all those trades, and it might just be, you know what? Don't trade that ticker. Why? It's just not working out. So some very valuable information. So I wanted to show that to you guys today. Check it out. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it improves your trading as well.